here? Pi diagram means we have to make angle of various parts. Now raise your hand. In one circle rotation, in one circle rotation there is 360 degrees of angle. Now raise your hand. How would you convert the figures in percentage when we do percentage divided by diagram? We studied the workings in a percentage divided by diagram. How do you convert the figures in percentage? How do you convert you did in the homework also. So how do you convert it into percentage? Padil? How do you convert it into percentage I am asking? Jen?
सर टोटल को 100% एज्यूम करने का और बाद में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन
means respective data divided by total multiplied by 100. Percentage means per 100, so you multiply with 100. Here we need the angle which is 360 degrees, so you will multiply with 360. Means how will you obtain the angle of each and every part? Repeat, respective data divided by total multiplied by 360. Repeat it one more time. Respective data divided by total multiplied by 360. Got it everyone?
Yes.
This is how we will obtain the angle. Okay. And after obtaining the angle, we'll make the circle diagram. It is to be done in the notebook only. So look at question number page 55, question 8. Page 55, question number 8. It is exercise 2.3, question 8. The following data represents the percentage of sale of copies of daily newspapers represented by underlying pie diagram. Clearly given to you pie diagram. Which are the other names of pie diagram I made you write? Angular diagram and circular diagram. Three names are there. See that in exams you don't get confused. Pie diagram, circular diagram and angular diagram. Okay. Now here you have newspapers. Then percentage of selling, and one more column we will make is angle. Write all the figures leaving one line each. Write all the figures leaving one line each. Done with it?
Yes, sir.
Now understand how to find the angle be added. Repeat the formula I said. Respective figure upon total into 360. See here. Respective figure is 25 upon total is 100 multiplied by 360. 25 divided by 100 into 360. That is 90 degrees. Do mention degrees. Angle is 90 degrees. Raise your hand who did not understand this. All okay with it? Amit, Q. How will you find angle of Q?
23 into 360 upon 100.
23 divided by 100 into 360. 89 degrees. 83. As I said right now. Sit down, Anand. More than 0.5 take the next number. Less than 0.5 keep the same number. Navdeep, 24 upon 100 into 360. 86 point? So 86 degrees. Why you have been absenting a lot? Well, did you bring any leave note? For how many days did you go? So should you not inform in advance before going? 1 week is a too long period. One day you have to go anywhere urgently, it's understandable. See that it's a strict instruction to everyone. More than 1 day, if you have to take a holiday due to any reason, you have to take our permission. and you'll inform us in advance. And we'll let you know is it viable or not, should you take it or not. Otherwise your parents need to talk to us. Is it genuine where you have to go or not? And is it really needed or not? So any one of you going on a leave of more than 1 day need to inform in advance. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Bring the leave note tomorrow. Then Shlok S.
28 upon 100 into 360.
28 upon 100 into 360. All of you do the total. Does it come to 360 or not?
Yes.
It should come to 360. Okay. So everyone is clear with how to obtain an angle? Anyone who is not clear? Now, you can make the circle below the working itself. Any radius circle can be made here. Angle is important. Okay, first give the heading pie diagram showing percentage selling of various newspapers make a circle with any radius. Okay? And radius line also on the left side from the center. Okay, make a circle with any radius and a radius line also on the left side. Radius line, make it on the left side only as I have done it. Show the calculations for all. Class 2 also. Angles calculation compulsory to be shown for all. Don't directly write the angles, okay? Calculations which I have done here are compulsory in all the questions. Wherever percentage or angle is obtained, even in the test tomorrow, if you don't do the calculations, marks will not be given. Silence. Do you not read the notice? Then you should read. Since Monday, the schedule is put on the notice board. And whole week's schedule is mentioned. What is going to be done on Monday, what is going to be done on Tuesday. Monday to Saturday, the whole week's schedule for practical and theory subjects with the topic is mentioned. Okay, so we will not every time announce it now. It is already mentioned over there. Tomorrow you have the test of whole chapter 2. We have already conducted 2 tests of classification. Now this one is of classification, tabulation, diagrams, all the 3 topics included. Got it everyone? And see that now every Monday you see that notice carefully. Whatever is going to be the test on Saturdays and everything will be ready in that. Who all are still making the circles? Raise your hand. And written this radius line also. Take out the protractors. Take out the protractors, everyone. Now, how to mark the angles? Understand this? Very first is 90 degrees. Very first of all, can you see in your protractor there are 2 markings. One is clockwise, the other is anti-clockwise. We have to see the clockwise markings. Can you see clockwise starting from 0, 10, 20, 30? That markings are to be taken into consideration. Got it everyone? Now, your center of protractor, can you see the center of protractor? That should come on this line. Raise your hand or did not understand? Now here, keeping it, what is the first angle? 90. So here, clockwise and anti-clockwise, both 90 are at the same level, only big 90 is written. Mark it over there. And make a line. Yes. No nonsense. Is everyone clear with this? Raise your hand who did not understand 90 degrees how to get. Raise your hand who is still getting the 90 degrees. No sharing except everyone should have your own, okay? Now be attentive. Place the protractor at 90 degrees. Now place the protractor at that 90 degrees marking. All are able to understand this? Raise your hand who is not clear. Now what is the next angle? 83. So between 80 and 90 do you find small lines? Clockwise, okay? In that 81, 82, 83. In that you will find 81, 82 and 83. Do you get it at this level? After 80 clockwise, small lines are there 81, 82 and 83. Third line after that. Make a line at this point. So this is how your 83 degrees should come. Raise your hand who did not understand this 83 degrees angle. Rima, where will we place the protractor now? On that 83 degrees line. And mark 86. So in between 80 and 90 do you find 85? After that one more line 86. So mark it at 86 everyone. Do you get this kind of line? Raise your hand who is not there with this. 86 degrees, how did we get? And the last one always, you don't have to make a line, just have to cross verify. Keeping it here. This radius line is 101 or not. And if it is 1 degree more or less, ignore it. None of the teachers are going to sit with protractor and check your papers. They'll roughly see this kind of diagram. If it appears, they'll give you the marks. So 1 or 2 degrees more or less, it's fine, ignore that. Okay? So keep your protractor here and check it, does it come at 101 degree the radius line or not? As I said, 1 or 2 degrees more or less is fine. Are you all clear with this?
Yes.
Raise your hand who did not understand this angle diagram, how to make it. Now, every part you'll do the shading and represent. So every part you'll do the shading. One part you may keep it blank. So here you'll represent that the horizontal lines are newspaper P, circles is newspaper Q, stars is newspaper R, and blank is newspaper S. So this is how we have to make the pie diagram. Raise your hand who did not understand this. All are clear with the pie diagram's presentation? Okay, so even if this question is asked in exams, they may not give you the graph papers. In school, they may not provide you the graph papers for any of the circles diagram. Then you have to do it in the supplementary sheet itself. Okay? Now we will do a mixed question of circle and pie diagram both. We'll do a mixed question of circle and pie diagram both. Okay? And it's an important question in exam. If you revise that, both the concepts will be covered. Circle diagram as well as pie diagram. So exercise 2, page 64. Question 12. Mark it important. Okay, page 64, exercise 2, question 12, mark it important, be attentive. Information regarding the average monthly expenses of two families is as under. Presented through a underlined pie diagram. Now, why would the concept of circle diagram be involved? Raise your hand, it is not mentioned only. They have not mentioned it, make a circle diagram, it is mentioned pie diagram. Then raise your hand, I am asking you, why would a concept of circle diagram be involved? Hemal? So? Khushbu? So? See? Exactly. There are two families. Which family do you find is spending more? Yes, on an average you can see A is spending more amount. A's circle will be bigger and B's circle will be smaller. How much bigger and smaller will do by that radius concept. Square root and then divided by a constant number. So circle diagrams concept is involved because there are two informations. This was a single information, percentage selling, whereas in this question there is two information. One is of family A and one is of family B. Therefore we have to make the concept of circle diagram also. Circle of family A will be bigger, circle of family B will be smaller. Any confusions in this? All are clear with it? First we'll make the workings. Family A and B, can you find this percentage degrees on your own or not? Yes. Not percentage degrees. Like what will be the 5 columns will be there. First column particulars. Second family A and its angle. Second and third. Fourth family B and fifth angle of family B. So do the calculations of both. Total is not given. Total can you find on your own or not? Find that total and then find the angle on your own. Show the calculations, otherwise I'll tear the pages. Both family A and family B, calculation of angle must be shown. Got it everyone? Do the workings. See that you write the figures leaving one line each. Total you will be obtaining on your own. Then only after obtaining the totals only you can do the angle. Do you get this? 100, 25, 50, 75, 110. Who is not able to get it? Raise your hand. 20,000 do it. Divide by 72,000 into 360. 100. So what is the confusion? 5,000 divided by 72,000 into 360. Do you get 25? Did you understand the other calculations? Raise your hand who is still not able to obtain these angles. See, I repeat, 20,000 divided by 72,000 into 360 is 100. 5,000 divided by 72,000 into 360 is 25. 10,000 divided by 72,000 into 360 is 50. 15,000 divided by 72,000 into 360 is 75. And 22,000 divided by 72,000 into 360 is 110. Do you all get this? Who have done for family B also? It is not 6480, it is 64,800. You have written 6480. Do it again, 4,000 divided by 64,800 into 360. Okay? It's okay. Is who all are still doing it? Okay, who all have done the angles? What is it for coming for put? 89 degrees? 22 degrees? 40? Exactly what is it coming to? 48 point? 48.8, so 49. 100 degrees? 100 degrees, total 360. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Who is not able to get 89, 22 and so on? 16,000 divided by 64,800 into 360, 89. 4,000 divided by 64,800 into 360, 22. 8,800 divided by 64,800 into 360, 49. 18,000 divided by 64,800 into 360, 100, and this is same. Okay. Now, how to get radius P and W? Put your pens down. What is the first step in getting the radius we used to do? Square root. First we'll find square root of the total. Do 72,000 and plus square root. So 268 will round it off to. Okay. 64 800 and square root.
255.
0.55, so we'll round it up to 255. Is everyone clear with this? Now, this is a huge centimeter. And I told you, you have to divide in such a way that you get the lowest figure how much? 3, but that was for 3 circles. Here we have only 2 circles. So even if you get around 5, it's fine. Okay, divide it by a number so that you get somewhere near 5, then also it's fine. Do it, divide by 10. 26.8, much more than 5. Do 268 divided by 20. Still much more than 5. Do it divided by 30. Still more than 5. 8 will not accommodate. 2 circles of 8 will not come. Okay. So 268 divided by 40. 6 will also not do. 5 means it should be very near to 5 or less than 5. Divide by 50. This will be allowed. So let us do 268 divided by 50. 5 point means 4. Take single decimal only. 5.4 roughly. Any confusion in that? So 255 also we have to divide with 50 only. That is 5.1. So almost same size, 0.3 centimeters difference only. This is the radius. Understood why divided by 50 everyone? Any confusion? We have to 3 circles, then take the final figure somewhere near to 3. 2 circles, then take it somewhere near to 5. Now here 2 circles, so you need the whole page. Okay, 1 page below the working will not do. And horizontally, first fold the page as we did yesterday, day before yesterday, and both the circles should be on the same line, right? Anyone who did not understand these workings, raise your hand. So give the heading pie diagram showing monthly expenditure of 2 families. Pie diagram showing average monthly expenditure of 2 families. Now here gap also is not important because there are only 2 circles. So in between the 2 circles any gap will do. So it's not like the previous one we did 1 centimeter gap only, but there are 3 circles, so required 1 centimeter gap exactly. Correct? So here make 1 circle with radius of, all of you understand how to get it from the scale? Okay, between the pointer and the pencil there should be a gap of 5.4 centimeter on the scale and make a circle. Same way 1 more circle with pointer and pencil with a gap of 5.1 centimeter and then make a circle. Understood that everyone? But see that it comes on the same line, therefore we have folded the page. So 1 circle 5.4 centimeters and 1 circle 5.1, very slightly small it will be compared to this. Are you all able to read this way? And both of them on the left side radius line. You will find almost same size only, but there is a difference. The second will be very marginally small than the first circle. There will be marginal difference only, but there is a difference. There should be some gap between the 2 circles, okay? They should not be intersecting or touching each other. Yes? Wrong. Oh, correct. the circles. Okay, the circles should not intersect. Otherwise there will be a Mortis symbol. Half body. Yes, shall I start with that now? Now same way as we did the angles, I am doing it for family A and B, you'll try on your own. First one is 100 degrees. Place the protractor over here, clockwise direction 100. Do you all get this? Anyone who is not able to get 100, raise your hand. Where shall we place the protractor now? On 100.
राष्ट्रीय वर्जन की
Who did that?
सर ये 10th गया